Morning to you students. We will continue today the exercise 3.3 with some questions. Uh, First I am telling you here, question number 14. Question says prove that sine of 2x, 2 sine of 4x, sine of 6x, 4 cos square x and sine of 4x. This is a question. Very simple. Before doing this question, LHS will be taken. An important thing is that we have three terms, so we make a pair, suitable pair. And suitable pair is just like this and this, because when these two will be written together, sine 2x, sine 6x and 2 sine 4x. Why I make this why I wrote them together? Because it is having a two coefficient here and they are without 2 or without something, any constant there, have a coefficient. So sine 2x and sine 6x doesn't have any coefficient, and this was at along with 2, that's why I wrote it separately. Use here sine c plus sine d. Sine c plus sine d, which is 2 sine c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, and use it. C and d, 2 sine c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. 2 sine, sorry, this I'll write here only. Now this will be 6 and to 8 by 2 4x cos, these two will be my 2x minus 6 minus 4 upon 2 minus 2x, and 2 sine 4x will be written separately. What to do next, student? 2 sine 4x cos minus theta. Whenever minus is coming in angle, use a quadrant concept. Cos minus theta, in which quadrant it is? In fourth quadrant, and cos minus theta is always cos theta. So keep in mind, cos minus theta is always cos theta. For you convenient, I am writing cos minus theta is a cos theta. So your answer will be 2 sine 4x cos minus x is equal to cos x, meaning cos minus 2x will be cos 2x plus 2 sine 4x. Now take out common, 2 sine 4x will have a common. 2 sine 4x will have a common. The remaining is cos 2x plus 1. Cos 2x plus 1. Actually we are very near to the answer. I want to write it 1 plus cos 2x and see the list of the formulas. 1 plus cos 2x is one of the famous formula, and you can see that 1 plus cos 2x was 2 cos square x, and 2 sine 4x is already there. This equal to this you can see in the list of the formulas from where I got, you can see there, and 2 2s are 4 we have got, cos square x we have got, and sine 4x we have got. And this is answer. So it's totally on the formula. If you remember the laws, you can do it easily. Okay, now let's look some question. We have one more question I want to discuss with you. 15th one. Cot of 4x sine 5x sine 3x equal to cot of x sine 5x sine 3x. This question is very good as far as the exam is concerned. I tell you one trick here. Can you see hold the question? That we two terms of cot here, and one side is sine 5x plus sine 3x and another side is sine 5x minus sine 3x. So if you match now, these two looks same and these two look same. So this time I am not taking LHS or RHS, but I am taking this term upon this term. Very first time you are looking this condition, but it is very interesting that finally you will get hold the answer. This term upon this term I am taking. Either you also can take this upon this. In both way you can get the answer. Okay. By taking this, don't get surprised that I'm going to use sin C plus sin D. Take this and use sin C plus sin D here and sin C minus sin D here. Go on. 2 sin C plus sin D. 2 sin C plus D upon 2 cos C minus D upon 2 whole upon sin C minus sin D is 2 cos C plus D upon 2 sin C minus D upon 2. Simple, simple. Now student, what I used here? I used sin C plus sin D and sin C minus sin D. Two law I used here. And student, 2 and 2 cancel. Can you tell me directly? I think you can. This is sin 538 by 2 4x, sin 4x into cos 5 minus c 2 by 2 single x. This is cos 4x and this is sin x. And this is running sin 5x, sin 3x upon sin 5x and sin 3x. Now, very interesting it is coming. Sin by cos is tan 4x. Cos by sin is cot x. Sin 5x, sin 3x upon sin 5x and sin 3x. You can get the answer easily now. Tan 4x can be written sin 5x, sin 3x upon sin 5x, sin 3x is equal to, this is cot x upon, this is tan can be written 1 by cot 4x. So write cot 4x in downside and do the cross multiplication. Cot will be written here, cot 4x into sin of 5x plus sin 3x equal to cot x and sin 5x minus sin 3x. So this is the answer what you required here. It's very interesting. So this is two terms which look same. So I just took them together in the division because I knew that after cross multiplication we'll have a same answer. So just get the method properly. This is some unique question which actually can be solved by this method. So this is from my side only. Now I am taking the question number 21. 21. Look at them. 21 question. Question 21 says cos of 4x, cos of 3x, cos of 2x upon sin of 4x, sin of 3x, sin of 2x, cot of 3x. This is a question. Again a good question it is. Look at I tell you. LHS we take. Now if you will see the numerator, what you feel? All are actually just looking like cos C plus cos D or cos C plus cos D, or if you take these two, cos C plus cos D. The important thing is to take a proper pair which gives actually your answer. Can you take cos C plus cos D them together? Can you take them together? Can you take them together? So that's a question mark, that what you have to take initial two. So that's a trick. 4x plus 2x, 4x plus 2x upon 2 gives you 3x, and this is here. 4x plus 2x upon 2 gives a 3x. It's a trick that as you are getting right now the condition, this will give the knowledge to take the proper pair. Meaning I am taking this and this because after adding and doing half, we are getting this one. And you will come to know that why I am thinking like that. It's a c plus d by 2. C plus d by 2. C plus d by 2. Definitely will 3x. So I am choosing the pair cos 4x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x upon sin 4x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x. Same upside and downside. And using the formula cos c plus cos d and sin c plus sin d. Till now you have come to know all the laws. Cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. This is cos of 3x whole upon sin c plus sin d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 and sin 3x is already here. Now don't be hurry, don't cancel 2 and 2 because we have a plus sign here. And we also can't take out 2 common. So please don't do this. Let it be same. 2 cos 4 plus 2 by 2 is a 3x. Cos of 4 minus 2 by 2 is 1x plus cos of 3x whole upon 2 sin 3x cos x plus sin 3x. Take out common, whatever the needy. What looking common? Cos of 3x common, 2 cos x plus 1 remaining. Downside what common? Sin 3x common, what remaining? 2 cos x plus 1. And very good thing that both are same, can cancel. Cos 3 by sin 3 is itself cot of 3x, and that's an answer. So it's very easy question. It was just by formula you can get your answer. Okay, now let's look next. I'm telling you question number 23. Tan of 4x is equal to 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x upon 6 tan square x and tan 4x. Now question is being a bit long, but question is very easy. How to go with the question I'm telling you, left hand side, tan 4x. So you remember that we saw multiple angle formulas. We saw tan 2x, we saw tan 3x, but we haven't seen tan 4x, tan 5x, tan 6x. This is tan 4x. Whenever this will come, you don't afraid, but write that 4x is 2 into 2x. Very interesting. Now read its theta, and now read again tan 2 theta, and use the formula tan 2 theta, which was 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Please see the list of the formulas, where sin 2 theta we had 2 formulas, cos 2 theta we have 4 formulas, and tan 2 theta we have a single formula. Now use this here by assuming tan 2 theta is theta equal to 2x. Put here 2 tan 2x upon 1 minus tan square 2x. And again student, when you have reached the condition, it is looking tan 2x. So same formula again I'll use here. Tan 2x, again I'll use the same formula. The student don't now repeat the same thing. Tan 2x, now write directly the formula. 2 is a 2, tan 2x is 2 tan x, 1 minus tan square x whole upon 1 minus tan square it is, so don't afraid, tan 2 is right, tan 2x, 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x, and this is a square I'm writing here. You know, tan 2x square, tan 2x, this is a value of tan 2x and square, and this is a value of tan 2x. So whole you have got here. Now I just want to simplify it. 2 2s are 4 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x whole upon 1 minus, this is 2 2s are 4 tan square x, 4 tan square x whole upon 1 minus tan square x whole square. 1 minus tan square x whole square, meaning what I have done, I separate the square, numerator with denominator, and after this I'll take the LCM. 4 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x whole upon this will move here, 1 minus tan square x whole square, 4 tan square x whole upon 1 minus tan square x whole square. Then I do very simple term, same I'll write here, and I turn to this division in multiplication and I make a reciprocal this whole, tan square x whole square upon, and this gonna be in downside. Now student, can you see these two? These two are very identical, and this is a single power, this is a 2 power, so 1 power will cancel, and upside what remaining? 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x single power will remaining, whole upon 1 minus tan square x whole square. Can you open it? A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. And already it's a 4 tan square x, and last answer I just want to give it 4 tan x, so 1 minus tan square x whole upon 1 plus tan 4x minus these two will be 6 tan square x, and I think this is the answer which you need here. So it's the same answer you have got. Nothing worried, but just simple calculation it is, and do it and get your answer. Now after 23, I'll make the next question. Question number 24. It's very similar. Cos of 4x equal to 1 minus 8 sine square x cos square x. And I want to write one more question here, 25th also. Cos 6x is equal to 32 cos 6x, 48 cos 4x, 18 cos square x minus 1. Look at the question. Cos 4x equal to this I want. I'll take a LHS, which is cos of 4x. So I think you should not be surprised that recently we had seen tan 2x. This is a cos 4 tan 4x. This is cos 4x. So I'll do same. Cos of 2 and 2x. I'll say cos of 2 into 2x. And now read cos 2 theta. So I'll use the formula of cos 2 theta. Let me explain that. We have 4 formulas of cos 2 theta. So we need an answer in sine cos. So you can use the formula, whatever you would think that. Any formula you can. It only one trick. It is 1 minus it is. 1 minus it is. So I'll use the formula of cos 2 theta, which is having 1 minus. You know, you can see the list of the formulas. 1 minus 2 sine square x is there. So use this formula here. Instead of that, only theta. Now read cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So theta is 2x. Now what I am writing, 1 minus 2, this is sine square 2x now. Meaning sine 2x squared. Now both have the same meaning. Look at sine square 2x or sine 2x squared. Same meaning. And this is sine 2x. Now sine 2x have a one law. You know sine 2x have a two law actually. First law is 2 sin x cos x, and I am using that formula here. That instead of sine 2x, write 2 sin x cos x square. This is the formula of sine 2x. Please keep the list of the formulas front of you. Until and unless you remember the formulas, you can't do this. So please keep the list of the formulas front of you while doing this question. And 1 minus, this is squaring 2, sorry, this is a 2. And this is 2 sin x cos x squared. This is a 4 sin square x and cos square x. And overall answer is 2 4 8 sin square x cos square x. And this is the answer which you wanted here. Same answer. So it's nothing hard. So let me rub this question, and I just want to start the last question of the exercise. This is the question, last question. LHS I'll take cos of 6x. So we have a two ways to open it. You can use cos of 2 into 3x, or you can use cos 3 into 2x also. But this is a simple way which we used in recent two questions, tan 4x, cos 4x, and now it's a cos 6x. I'm writing 2 into 3x, and can you read it is theta? Cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. This is my theta. So cos 2 theta, we have formulas, lots of formulas we have. I'm using in the form of cos because everywhere it is cos, cos, cos and cos. So I'm using in the form of cos. And what is the formula for the cos? 2 cos square theta minus 1. It's a minus 1 also. Look at minus 1 also. So use 2 cos square theta minus 1 and then apply it. Cos 2 theta will be 2 cos square. What is theta? 3x minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now can you see, student, cos square 3x, meaning cos 3x square minus 1. What is the formula of cos 3x? You should know that again we have cos 3x. We read actually. Sin 3x, single formula. Cos 3x, single formula. Tan 3x, single formula. Now see the list of the formulas. Cos 3x was 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. And square and minus 1. Now a minus b whole square, open here. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Can you do it directly? A square 16 cos 6x. A square plus b square 9 cos square x minus 2 into a into b. This is done, and minus 1. What I made? A square plus b square minus 2ab. Now what to do? 2 into 16 cos 6x plus 9 cos square x minus 4 to the 8, 8 to the 24, and cos cube and cos meaning cos 4x minus 1. Lastly I multiplied to 2, 32 cos 6x, 18 cos square x, 48 cos 4x minus 1, and that's an answer. So you don't need to surprise that they are very easy question, and you know that all depend on the formulas. If you remember the formulas, you can get it very easily. So this is a question from my side. Now let me do some more question because we have little time right now. As in your according to your new syllabus, trigonometric equations are out of syllabus, so I'm not taking this session here, and want to tell you some more question of the miscellaneous exercise, because from the miscellaneous exercise we have a few good questions which you must make, because in the annual examination the questions may come. So I always request to students to do them. So I want to write some question here. Look at them. Look at them, students. One question today we'll take here. Example number 26 I'm taking. Cos 2x, cos x by 2, cos 3x, cos 9x by 2 is equal to sin 5x, sin 5x by 2. This is page number 79, question example number 26. So now see the question. It's very first time it is having with you. Till now we haven't seen that this kind of formula in the last exercise, recent exercise, but it is coming now. So look at how to do this question. It is looking cos, as usual I'll take a left hand side. Look at cos, you can't treat cos C, cos D, because you know that for it is very essential to being a plus or minus sign between cos and sine. Cos C plus cos D, cos C minus cos D, or sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D. but it is not so. It is into. And let me tell you one thing. When it is into, it is multiplication. Read with me: cos A cos B. Cos A cos B. And for that you remember the laws. Please see the list of formulas. 2 cos A cos B. We have 4 formulas: 2 sin A sin B, 2 sin A cos B, 2 cos A sin B, 2 cos A cos B. 4 formulas we had. And this is the law. When if you have a 2 here, it will be formula 2 cos A cos B. If it is a 2 here, it is a formula 2 cos A cos B. So for creating 2, because without 2 it is not formula. So I just want to create 2. So how we can create 2? I'll multiply and divide by 2. Look at very easy it is. What I did? I multiplied and divide by 2. Look at. This is multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Now you can see 2 cos A cos B. Here also 2 cos A cos B. So can you write the formula? 2 cos A cos B. See the list of the formulas, students. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. It is totally on the formula. If you remember the laws, you can do, otherwise not. Look at the next. It is 2 cos A cos B. Use it. Cos A plus B, A and B, plus cos A minus B, minus, so use a bracket, 2 cos A cos B, cos A plus B, plus cos A minus B. You know, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B for this section, and cos A plus B plus cos A minus B for this section. Okay, now open the solve and open the bracket also. It's a 5x by 2. On taking LCM, it is a 3x by 2. On taking LCM, it is 15x by 2. And minus and plus minus, and on taking LCM, it is a minus 3x by 2. And one should know that cos minus theta, with the quadrant concept, it is cos theta. So what you will write? Cos of 5x by 2, cos of 3x by 2, cos of 15x by 2, cos minus theta is cos theta. This is. And can you see this and this? Both will cancel. So what remaining with you? 1 by 2 into cos 5x by 2 minus cos 15x by 2. This is with you now. 1 by 2 cos this and cos this. What do you need to answer? You are not having the same answer yet. Meaning you have to solve more. Use cos C minus cos D. Look at using cos C minus cos D, which is a 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin D minus C by 2. Strange one it is. Strange one. D minus C it is. Use it now, student. Half is only there. Cos C minus cos D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin D minus C. D meaning 15x by 2, 5x by 2 upon 2. You know 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin D minus C by 2. Now these two will be cancelled. Excuse me. These two will be cancelled. The remaining is sin. Take an LCM. 15 and 5 20. 20x by 2 2s are 4. Sin 15 minus 5 is 10 upon 4. Overall answer is sin 5x and sin cancel by 2, 5x by 2. So this is the whole answer what you required. Okay, this is enough of the day, and tomorrow we'll finalize the chapter also. Thank you.